Dear students, this is Afsana Awal. Today I will take your English class, and students, today's topic is Unit 6 Lesson 4 to 7 reading down. Our today's topic is Unit 6 Lesson 4 to 7 reading down. So let's start the class. Look at the board and look at the book. This is Unit 6 Lesson 4-5 here. Eat healthy. And just look at the picture. This is the picture of a food pyramid. Now listen and read. What food is good food? Sometimes the food we like to eat isn't the healthiest food for us. The food pyramid helps us to understand the different food groups, and it tells us how much of each food group we should eat. Look at the pyramid of the food pyramid. We eat more of the foods at the bottom of the pyramid. That means these foods. We eat more of the foods at the bottom of the pyramid. What foods do you see at the bottom? These are things made from grain. For example, rice, roti and bread. Potatoes are not grains, but they are similar. Grains give us energy. That means the bottom food pyramid. This is the food pyramid, and here's the bottom of the pyramid, and we actually take this food more, and the maximum of these foods are made from grains, and grains give us energy. Fruits and vegetables are in the next level of the pyramid. These are also very important for us. They have vitamins. They help our eyes and our health. That means here these are the fruits and vegetables. On the next level, there are fish, meat, dairy products, beans and lentils. Meat, fish and chicken have protein. Beans and lentils does too. Then the next para. Dairy products are things like milk and eggs. They help our teeth and bones. Protein and dairy make us strong. And these are the dairy products. Fat and oil are the top of the food pyramid. That means this one, fat and oil. These make food delicious, but our body does not need very much of them. Sometimes we can't get food from all the different food groups, but when we have choices about food, we need to make good choices. Girls, now go to the next page. This is exercise number G, and this is lesson 6 and 7. Read again. Write T for true or F for false. And girls, I have written a T or F, but you have to write the TRUE true and FALS false, the full word. The first one. There are 4 levels in the food pyramid. This is true. Number 2. The bottom level of the pyramid has food from protein and dairy. This is false, because at the bottom level we see the foods that are made from the grains. Number 3. Food made of grain give us energy. True. Number 4. Eggs help our eyes. This is false. Number 5. Milk helps to make us strong. True. Number 6. Our bodies need a lot of fat and oil. This is false. Students, and now this is your HW number 5, and your HW number 5 is Unit 6, exercise number G. That means this true and false, this is your HW. Okay, this true false. These are your HW. Number 5. You have to write this as HW. Okay students, that's all for today. Allah Hafiz.